Selamat pagi, nama saya Lu. Hi everyone, here is PassByValue. Today I'm going to teach you Lesson 8, Google Keep. I will show you how to use Google Keep to take notes. Before we start, this is the result of today's lesson. We can write anything we want here. So, let's begin today's lesson. What is Google Keep? It allows us to take notes at any time. So, how can we find it? We first have to open a new tab of Chrome, and on the upper right corner, we can see there is an icon of dots over there. Then we click it, and we see the icon of Google Keep, and we click it. We therefore can get into the website of Google Keep. This is the interface of Google Keep. On the left bar, we can see that there are different categories of Google Keep, and on the top blank, we type things to take notes, and the notes we take will be in the middle. So, let's take some notes. First, we click the blank with Take a Note. Then, this is the screen you will get. If we click the bell icon, there are different times we can choose for reminder. Then, if we want to change the color, we click the icon with color plate. Then, it offers different colors for us to choose. Or we want to add a photo to our notes, we click the photo icon. Then, it will ask us to choose a photo in the folder. And after everything is done, we click the close button. Finally, it will show on the main page of Google Keep. But what if we want to delete the note? We first click the dot on the bottom of the note, and then we click Delete Note. Then the note will be deleted. So, let me show you how to do it in a video. So first, click the blank, and we type the thing we want. And we set a reminder, and give it a color, and add a photo to the note. And when everything is done, we click the Save button. And if we want to delete a note, we just click the Delete Note button. And finally, today's homework is to make your own note. And this is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.